In this video I will show you how to freeze frame in Davinci Resolve 18. What you have to do is to select the frame where you want to add the freeze effect. So I am going to put the freeze effect from this point where ball is in the air. Okay, this is looking great. So we will just zoom in the timeline so you guys can clearly see. Okay, after zooming in we have to select the blade mode, which you can see here. Tap on the blade mode and after that you will get blade, and with the help of blade you can just make a cut like this, then move the playhead a little bit forward and then make a second cut like this. So now we have created one separate clip which contain only one frame. For now we will remove the blade mode because we are not going to use it anymore, so we will just go with selection mode once again and then just zoom out the timeline. Okay, this one is fine. So we will just move this third clip till this point because I want to add the freeze frame effect till this point, so we'll just keep it here. And then we have the separate clip which we are going to freeze, so we will just click on it. You have to right click on it, okay, and then the option will pop up, and in this option we have to find change clip option, which you can see here. Click on it and then we will able to see the freeze frame box where we have to tick and then just hit change. And now we have successfully created a freeze frame which we can easily stretch. You can just easily see this option, and if you want, just zoom the timeline by pressing on the plus. Okay, like this you will able to see these two brackets, and by holding left click you can easily drag it like this. Now we have successfully added a freeze frame effect in our video. If you like this video, please consider subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.